The Trayoo Kids Tablet features a 7-inch screen and is designed with children in mind, offering a robust and user-friendly experience that is perfect for young users. With a powerful quad-core processor and 32 gigabytes of storage, this tablet ensures smooth operation and ample space for all of a child's favorite apps and media. Parents will appreciate the pre-installed educational apps that work without Wi-Fi, as well as the ability to download popular apps like YouTube Kids and Netflix from the Google Play Store. The parental control mode allows parents to set up personalized profiles, manage app access, and monitor screen time, ensuring a safe digital environment for children. Designed to withstand the rigors of child use, the tablet comes with a shock-proof case that protects it from drops and bumps, making it ideal for active little ones. Trayoo's commitment to quality is evident in the rigorous testing and customer support provided, ensuring the tablet performs reliably and any issues are promptly addressed.